Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ellie Brown, your SEA safety rep.
And I'm Ella White, your SCA historian, and this is the news for Friday, December 20th, 2019.
Today's word of the day is tremble. When you tremble, you shake or shiver.
This cold weather sure has a lot of us trembling.
Today is National Ugly Holiday Sweater Day. Since 2012, it has grown to be an international event.
Now occurring on the third Friday of December, the celebration gives holiday lovers worldwide a chance to wear their ugly sweaters.
Miss Arp has an announcement from the library. Please come and get the books you have on hold.
Yes, all the books on hold will be put back on the shelves after today to start a new year with a clean slate.
Today is also a half day.
Enjoy the festivities today.
This is Ellie Brown
And Ella White. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible.
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day.
Have a great day.